Today we will see how to make the skin beautiful and radiant in a natural way. Many of our skin cells die, so the skin doesn't look as bright as before. So today we will show you Magical Skin Whitener Pack. So let's start. First, take 3 tablespoons rice flour in a bowl. Rice flour for skin may be used as a rice face pack for skin whitening, eliminating suntan, removing the impurities on skin that causes pimples and acne, and evening out the skin tone. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Honey has skin brightening properties and also lends a healthy moisturized glow to the face after usage. Honey is good to treat dry skin but also works extremely well in treating oily, acne-prone, and combination skin types as well. Add some raw milk. The vitamins present in raw milk make this a mild exfoliating and hydrating agent that tones the skin thoroughly, leaving no room for impurities. Rich in vitamin A, raw milk is known for clearing pigmentation, scars caused due to acne, and dark spots when used judiciously as it is or in the form of a face mask. Mix well. Now apply it on your skin. Now leave it for dry. When it dry, then rub your skin gently and remove it. If your skin is sensitive, then don't rub your skin. Only direct wash with normal waters. Get the best result, do this 3 to 4 times in a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.